is Taylor of Summerdale Soul, and today I have a pretty simple fix. My mom has been begging me to replace her rear brake light bulbs, which is very important, and it's taken me too long. And that is exactly what I'm here to do today. So, to get this rolling, the first step is, I guess grab the keys.
Sorry, let me just, scoot right past.
Step 2, open the trunk.
How to do this. Crushed it.
Inside the trunk you can see here the housing assembly. I'll be removing these 2 black plastic nuts, which simply screw off, and then I'll be able to remove that housing assembly from the back. This may visually differ from model to model in the R107 series, but the process is still the same to remove them. With the backing plate loose, I carefully pulled this toward the front of the car. I was getting a little bit of resistance, so I wanted to make sure one of the bulbs wasn't snagging anything because the housing is pretty snug. You'll see in a second just how narrow some of these locations are, and I apologize for the ponytail. I decided to not be camera friendly today, but there you have it. So let's go through each of the respective lights and their bulbs. So of course we have the reverse light here, the right brake light, the left brake light, both of these are out currently, and the blinker. And their respective bulbs. Of course, here is the reverse light, that blown out brake light, the other blown out brake light, which I unfortunately don't have this one. I'll have to order that part separately, but she'll have one at least for now. And then the blinker, which of course if you own a BMW, you won't know what that is. Sorry, low-hanging fruit. So that is the assembly here. Basically it's just like changing out a light bulb. So I've already replaced this, but let me show you the process of doing so. You push it down and twist, and you'll notice there's a little nodule here on both sides that kind of seats into this little bracket that you can push it down into. So you line that up, push down, and then twist to the right to reinstall. And there you have it. And then of course this fancy boy is busted, but just to go through the process as well, this is a simple fitment. Looks like you'll want to have the markings up top in the bulb. That's at least how this one came out. I do not have this part, but thought I would show you how easy it is to take in and out. With the new bulbs installed, all that was left to do was realign the housing. I was once again very cautious when I put this back in place, as I didn't want to put too much pressure on a bulb and shatter it. But with the all clear, I reinstalled those plastic nuts. And there you have it. That's how you replace your rear bulbs. I hope you've enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. I don't appreciate how much the car just sagged when I sat down. Rude.